In this video, I will talk about variables in C and I will explain how to declare and initialize a variable in C. I will also talk about statements and expressions in C. Let's get started. Whenever we store a data in computer, it is stored at specific memory location. Each memory location has an address. Let's have a look at this diagram. This represents computer's memory. Computer's memory is divided into different slots. Each slot is capable of storing some value in it, and each slot has an address. So, if I want to get information stored at slot number 1, I will tell computer to provide me with the information located at an address 6692. Similarly, I can request information stored at slot number 4 by asking computer to provide me with the information at 6695. This can be inconvenient as no one would like to remember addresses. We can give some logical name to this address. This logical name is called variable name. The reason why we call it variable name is because the value stored at this location can be changed. They are not constant, hence it is called variable name. The same diagram should now look like this after assigning names. After giving a logical name, I can now instruct computer to get value of variable name sum instead of saying get value at the address 6692. Variable names are convenient to use and easy to remember. If you are getting value out of this video, can you hit the like button? Let's go to code blocks. I have created a new C project. Here is the syntax for declaring variables in C. Data type space variable name followed by semicolon. I will now create a variable named amount having data type int. I can do that by typing int space amount followed by semicolon. This is called variable declaration. I have declared a variable named amount which is capable of storing integer values, that is whole numbers. Now let's talk about initialization. Initialization is a process of assigning initial value to a variable. It is usually done during variable declaration. Let's initialize variable amount with value 10. In order to do that, I will go to next line and type amount equals to 10 followed by semicolon. I can also do declaration and initialization in one single line. In order to do that, I will remove this line of code and go to the declaration line and type equal to 10 followed by semicolon. Here, I am declaring an int variable named amount and assigning value 10 to it. In this example, variable declaration and initialization we did is called a C statement. What is statement in C? A statement is a command given to the compiler that instructs computer to take specific action such as display to the screen, declare variables, etc. Statements in C should always be terminated with semicolon. A C program is made up of series of statements. If you are getting value out of this video, can you hit subscribe and like button? Let me know how are you finding this video so far by commenting below. Now that we are done with variable names and statements in C, let's talk about expressions in C. An expression is a statement consisting of one or more operands and zero or more operators that evaluates to a value. Let's understand expression with help of an example. I will declare another int variable named total. I'll go to next line and type int total followed by semicolon. In the next line, I will perform addition operation and add value 100 to variable amount and assign the result to variable total. I'll go to next line and type total equals to amount plus 100 followed by semicolon. Here, amount plus 100 is called an expression. This is an expression because it satisfies the definition of expression. It consists of two operands, amount and 100. That is, it has one or more operands and it has got one operator plus sign. That is, zero or more operators. In addition, it evaluates to a value. Here, during execution, variable amount will be replaced by the value of amount, that is 10. This expression is equivalent to 10 plus 100. This expression should evaluate to value 110. Hence, amount plus 100 is an expression. The value 110 is then assigned to variable total using equal to assignment operator. Here, total equals to amount plus 100 is called a statement in C. On execution of this statement, value 110 will be assigned to variable total. I will print the value of total. I'll go to next line and type printf in double quotes value of total is %d, name of the variable total followed by semicolon. I will compile and execute the code. On execution, program should display the value 110 on the screen.